Welcome to this comprehensive review of Overlow, your go-to tool for making dropshipping accessible and scalable. Whether you're just starting or looking to streamline your e-commerce workflow, Overlow offers features tailored to finding, importing, and automating product fulfillment with ease. This video will walk you through its standout features, starting with how Overlow seamlessly integrates with Shopify. To begin, simply install the Overlow app from the Shopify store and connect it to your account. Once linked, you can start searching for products directly within Overlow's marketplace. Use filters to identify high-demand products with favorable pricing and reliable shipping times. Adding products to your store is as simple as clicking a button, with all details, including images and descriptions, preloaded into your Shopify store. This saves you hours of manual work. Another game changer is the automated order fulfillment feature. Once a customer places an order, Overlow handles the logistics with your supplier, ensuring timely delivery. Tracking details are also updated automatically, keeping your customers informed. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Back to Overlow, its analytics tools provide valuable insights into sales performance, helping you identify trends and adjust your inventory. You can also set pricing rules to ensure consistent profit margins across your products. As a platform, Overlow stands out for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive support resources, including tutorials and a dedicated help center. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.